Hello.
Catfish.
What's that?
Hey, we have bunker cut bait.
Oh, you got some bunkered?
Yeah, got some. If you need something.
Hey, we may. Thank you. We've got a few finger mullet,
Yeah, well, they're good.
so it should work.
Yeah.
If it's not, I may take you up on that.
We got it.
Okay, thank you.
This thing's bigger mullet. They're more like our mullet.
Nice man, nice man.
He's going back to where he came from. That's a cool machine.
I took it that he was.
He's doing maneuvers.
I'm talking about the man. Right?
Oh, yeah.
That he was the owner, or he was.
Perhaps. That guy doing maneuvers.
Uh-huh.
He didn't do it. I believe about as many people get killed doing the maneuvers as they do an actual battle. This stuff goes wrong.
You want to fish on that? I think the power lines up above would definitely be a deterrent for me. I think so. Jordan, do you know how the insulation works on those lines?
Looks like they got some sort of rubber coating on the cable that connects it. But I'm not really sure.
They don't even have to have rubber coating on them. They are insulated by the air. So when the air has a lot of moisture in it, big rain or something, there's actually more wasted energy that gets grounded out than there is when the air is really dry.
So, there could be a lot of static around here when there's a lot of...
I promise you, anywhere there's electricity, there's magnetism. Because the two go hand in hand.
Could that attract fish or deter fish?
I don't know that. I can...
It could attract sharks, possible?
I don't know. But obviously it doesn't bother little catfish.
Say if you'll take you a pouch, AA battery, stick it in the water,
Yeah.
and attract sharks.
Now, we may not need to even go very far, huh? You want to just try it right here?
I want to go to the spot that we're at out here.
Okay. This is catfishing with Jordan, not catfishing with Wade, so I'll go along with it. Even though your pops has to drive back and you get to sleep.
Or you.
Because somebody doesn't have their license yet.
Or you. Boo, boo, hoo.
You're boo-hoo. I take you catfishing out of a snowstorm,
Boo-hoo.
away from your mother, out here to the James, when everybody else is sitting at home in the snow, and you won't even give me any credit whatsoever.
I'm giving you credit. It's not, you know, going on to your boo-hoo party.
I'm old, I don't need to walk this far. This thing's got to be 4 or 5 football fields long.
It's a lot longer than it looks. I believe it's just past this one turn.
Yeah, that's it. The truth is, it was further than that, but that's okay. If he'll quit, if he'll stop there, I'll go along with it. Yesterday, he had the 100-pound tackle box. And I'm not exaggerating. He carried it out here, and I guess who had to carry it back? Today, we've reduced it down to a bucket. that, again, I'm carrying. And we've reduced it down to, I think, 7 or 8 fishing poles. They probably only allow 2. I don't know. They're not going to say anything to us with this thing being completely empty. I'm pretty amazed that out here, and millions of people out here in the eastern part of Virginia, that the only 2 out here on the pier are 2 hillbillies from Clintwood. From Dickinson County, I guess I should say. I live in between Clintwood and Hayside, Virginia. 2 tiny little towns with just a couple hundred, yeah, and Coburn. We kind of live between 3 tiny little towns, all of them just a couple, 300-400 people. And we're the only ones out here on this beautiful pier. It's 50-some degrees, low 50s.
Very nice fish.
The air is dead still. Unfortunately, we've got a bluebird sky. That's generally not good. But we plan on catching some fish. So we're going to get our stuff out. We got our case, got all our salt water. He's got a new Star Paraflex rod. I don't know why I can't spend $200 on a rod, but he does. And here we go. So hopefully I'll turn this camera back on in a minute when he's catching a fish. It may just be little ones. There's a lot of little ones. This is only about 7 or 8 feet deep.
At the most.
And no matter where we go out through there, it is no more than 7 or 8 feet.
It's a little bit deeper on out there.
Yeah, so we have no channel to work with here. So
Yeah, channel's still what, another 500, 600, 700 yards?
yeah.
Out there.
Channels away. So if we had a boat, we could probably catch some big ones, but we left the boat at home. We hadn't tried it out.
Channel's all the way at the drawbridge.
Yeah, channel's up there. So we'll fish this flat and we'll hope that in this still water, a big one will move up here. Sometimes they like this 6-7 foot of water because the sun will warm the bottom up and they'll get a little warmth. But now they may not move this far up in it though. So we'll see. Okay, is this thing off?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, that's not good actually. The bag handle broke. That's gonna make it harder to carry back. That's okay.
I can let you carry this and then cut that down.
Yeah, we might have to do that. Jordan, this is gonna work. I leave this on while we're catfishing.
Evidently, that would have to be, what do you think?
Troop carrier.
Either hauling stuff or pulling stuff up over the edge.
That's it. That's for carrying very heavy armored bits.
I don't know much about it.
Because it's not a landing craft.
Hey, what about that? First one you've caught on that rod, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think that's too big to take home with us, don't you? Unless we want. Here we go. Here's a little cat. Might have tightly drag a little. No. Hey. We're at the bottom of the tide, and I think we've been sitting here waiting on this tide to turn because the James River has been pulling cold water down from the north with this outgoing tide, and they just haven't wanted to buy it because it's frigid cold that direction. Now that the tide's sitting still, we're starting to get some hits. And we hope there's a big one that'll swim through. Be nice.
Yeah. Roll around in that stuff. I put my glove on. I'm not touching him with covering it.
Poo?
Bird stuff.
Bird stuff?
I'm not touching him with his stuff.
You just gonna toss him back? Uh-oh. Got another one. Got another one. Oh, missed him.
Yeah.
Okay. It's all right. Maybe we should set these live liners a little harder and let them, I don't know, let them hook. I don't know. That's how Catfish Dave does it. Let them hook themselves. Yeah. Then your pole goes in the water, right?
This one's good size tape. Sticking through.
You think so?
Yeah.
All right.
That size the other one.
Well, you have to get you some water. Oh, you just go.
Yeah.
Do you know how far it is?
Okay. Put water.
No, take it. Just take it. Just take it. It'll live. Just take it. I'll man the poles. Okay. I'll see you in about 20 minutes. It's a long way.
And that trip is over. A little hot away from the snow. Give us a thumbs up, Jordan. Alright. Bye-bye now.